Welcome back to Rare Oakleys. We have another unboxing of the X-Metal Juliet's TiO2 custom configuration number 2, this time with 24 karat gold lenses, or also known as 24K. Before we check these out, you know what to do. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so yet. Hit that like button, give us a thumbs up, and of course do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you never miss a future episode of Rare Oakleys. Speaking of episodes, as always, be sure to check out our other videos. We have a ton of exclusive content, a ton of fantastic content that you don't want to miss. And here's something else you don't want to miss, my book. This book is motivational, educational, inspirational, packed with tips and tricks on how to save money. And yes, it is a great and fun and entertaining read, even above and beyond all that. Listen, even if you guys don't like to read, I promise you, you will love this book. Links are going to be below in the description. Definitely do not miss out on this. And you know what else you don't want to miss out on? You don't want to miss out on TEXITcoin. Now, disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor and I am not giving financial advice. However, I will say that I put money into TexiCoin. My wife put money into TexiCoin. There's actually a referral program and she's gotten all of her money back and then some now. And I put a ton more money into TexiCoin. So, our friends and family have put a bunch of money into Texicoin too. It has grown over 8,000% since its inception less than 2 years ago. I'd say about 20 months at the time that this video is being shot. So less than 2 years ago, but there is still a tremendous growth potential on the horizon. I believe it's going to grow tremendously still in the next at least 5 to 6 months. But again, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not giving financial advice, but definitely check out TexiCoin, especially if you're into cryptocurrencies. 2 links are going to be below in the description. One is for Texicoin's official website. Second link is actually my wife's personal referral link. She's already gotten enough referrals where she's gotten her money back, but we would appreciate it if you do decide to get involved, if you'd use my wife's referral link, again, down below in the description, and you're welcome. So let's check out these TiO2 X-Metal Juliets. Again, these are custom configuration number 2. We even have the original box, right? Let's check out that tag. That's the, they got the Juliet diagram here, the TiO2 frame. And of course, they originally came with VR28 black iridium, but we customized a large number of these. So our last one was with polarized ice. This particular one, again, is with 24 karat gold or 24K lenses. Let's set this here. You got your old school Oakley microfiber bag with the genuine O software tag, which I really like a lot. And you know what? Let's check out the serial number on here too. Because again, these are all different frames. They're all serialized. Because what I did back in the days, I picked up, I don't even know how many frames, at least a half dozen. And I basically put in all the different lenses, or most of the different Juliet lenses. And again, these are OEM. These are not custom cut. These are not third party. These are not aftermarket. These are the original 24K lenses that were offered by Oakley. And the TiO2 frame, of course, was the alternation of the X-Metal with the nose bridge and ear stems, and then the plasma orbitals, so X-Metal and plasma. Really nice color combination. Let's check out the serial number here, see if we can see it. Maybe, here it is. It's on the left ear stem. Apologies. Let's zoom in on that and get that into focus so you guys can read that. Sorry, a little bit of shadow detail. Can we zoom in a little bit more? There we go. So you guys can read that serial number there. I can't even really read it from my perspective, but again, that is, I think it's JT for Juliet TiO2. All right, you can zoom back out. But these are, again, very beautiful pair of sunglasses. I don't know that these have ever been worn. Again, I picked up so many of these so many years ago. Just a great pair of all-around glasses. Let's give these a quick... Maybe I should have turned on the other lights, huh? You want to hit the other lights just in case? Give us a little more. There we go. Yeah, turn them all on. There we go. Awesome. I guess I probably should have done that earlier. Apologies. Oops. Wow. That's what happens when you don't edit your videos, guys. All right. Try to turn these around a little bit, but you can see standard TiO2 frames. And again, X-Metal Juliet's 3,600 degrees. That's how they're forged, with a titanium, proprietary titanium-based alloy with a 450,000 watt generator. And of course, those generators have all been dismantled, so X-Metals are no more. And within the past year or so, of course, they did release the museum. They did release the Museum Mars, but I don't necessarily consider those still X-Metals. But let us know what you guys think in the comments below. And as always, thank you for watching, liking, commenting, subscribing. Do not forget to hit that bell icon, and we will see you next time on Rare Oakleys.